The next drawing that we're going to use to brush up some offset skills and trim and extend is going to be object number 9. This one's going to be a little bit less involved than object 8. It's just a matter of understanding how many circles and what the diameters or the radiuses are, and using the center point of focus to build the drawing. So let's move over to the CAD screen and start. So if I look at the numbers here, again, I'm going to start from 0, 0, and a lot of times you're going to want to use snap in order to work off the center. So I have to draw a circle here, 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 here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Now if we move off of the center point, we're just going to be offsetting lines. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's start with the 2 outside circles, 5.5 diameter. That's what that symbol represents. And also the 5-inch diameter. We'll start with those 2. So I'm going to click on circle. I could either snap right to my center point. As you can see down here, it will show you 0, 0, or you could type 0, 0. I'm going to type D for diameter. 5 will be the first circle I draw. Now I'm going to repeat that. Circle. I'm going to go right from 0, 0. D, enter. That diameter is 5. There it is. Now I want to make these openings. So if I look at how this is going to be, I'm not going to try to figure out where these are. I'm going to go off of the center. So I'm going to draw 2 lines from the outside and outside of each circle. I'm going to do that again. And snap is allowing me to go right from the center here. Okay. Now before I go too far, what I'm going to do is offset. I want to know this distance is a 1/2 inch. So in order to do this, you want to be careful here. A 1/2 inch wide, if I'm at the center now, this line is a 1/4 inch to the right. This line is a 1/4 inch to the left. So I'm going to offset 0.25, or you could type 1/4. One side, and then the other side. And I'm going to keep offsetting because I'm going to do this again at the bottom and the top. Okay, so before there's too many lines where it might get confusing, let's get rid of this line and this line. And then if we want, we could trim out some things in the center. So I usually zoom out, highlight things I don't need, everything, in fact. And I'm going to turn off snap here. The reason why I'm going to turn off snap is because sometimes it's hard to navigate. I definitely want to get rid of these. So you can see how I'm clicking and dragging a box. That works out pretty well. But I'm not going to delete everything just yet because I still need these lines. But I'm just going to get rid of this stuff right here. And I can get rid of this, 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 and this. So you can see how it's starting to form. So now I have 2 more circles to draw, which is this circle right here, a 4-inch diameter. So I'm going to click on circle. I'm going to snap to my center, D, enter, 4, enter. Okay, that 4-inch. Nothing needs to be trimmed out of it. And then finally the inside circle, that's a 3-inch diameter. Again, circle from center point, D, enter, 3, enter. Okay, and then again, I'm going to highlight everything I don't need, including everything I do need. And I'm going to get rid of things like this. So it's a matter of just seeing the pattern and understanding the shape and understanding the lines that you want to get rid of. And there it is. That's our shape. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll let you finish this drawing, and we'll show you later on how to take a screenshot and put that into your Google Doc.